evening. How are you doing?
Good evening, Vishal. I'm doing well. How are you?
Good, good, very good. So, did you manage to configure the setups? Yes.
Yeah. I basically had it going last time, but I downloaded the ISO file of Windows 11, and I would try running it with Windows 10. That was basically what was happening with me.
Okay, okay. You're well conversant with downloading and installing, right? ISOs.
Yeah, we used the. I haven't used the VMware workstation before. I'm used to the other ones, but this is the first time I'm using it.
VirtualBox.
Yeah.
It's same.
Okay.
So, if you are okay with VirtualBox, you can use VirtualBox. That's okay. That's no worry.
Uh, since I'm not used to it, I don't mind getting used to this as well. It's a new experience,
This
right?
is this is easy. This is comparatively easy.
Okay. Okay.
As a beginner, like it's very easy. You'll be able to follow the instructions.
Okay.
Hi, Priya. Good evening. Priya, you are there? Yeah. Hi, Nabzi. Good evening.
Hello, hi, good evening.
So did you manage to download the files, Nabzi, Priya?
Yeah, the Windows.
Yes,
Yes, I did download, but the Linux is not working.
that's okay. We'll cover because today we'll be starting with Windows fundamentals, so we'll cover both. Don't worry.
Okay.
Great. So we'll start in 5 minutes. Let others join in. Hi, Rishi. Good evening.
Hi, good evening, Michelle.
On time.
Yes, but there
You're
were,
on time every time, right?
but you were like before time.
Yes, yes, yes. So we'll start in 5 minutes. Let others join in, and yes, we'll start. Team, I guess we can start. So let's get started. Rishi, is it okay if you can share the screen?
Yes, absolutely. One
Right.
sec. Okay. I'm
So
just
team, in the previous
developing.
session, yes, we had installed this one. So I hope Nabzi, Priya, Noor, you were able to install the operating system. Yes or no? Please let me know. In case not, then I'll
Vishal,
help you out. Yeah, Noor, please.
Vishal, was it Windows 10 or 11?
11, 11. See, it's fine. She had 10 ISO, that's why 10.
Oh,
So if you have
okay.
downloaded Windows 11 ISO, you can go ahead and install the same. That's okay. Both will have the same option. Don't worry.
Windows 11 has some issues. I think sometimes it doesn't run because of the RAM issues.
Okay. How much RAM you have assigned?
4.
4, it should work.
It should work, but I tried, but sometimes it's not enough.
Yeah, okay. So it can be. So you can do one thing. Instead of 4, you can increase it to 6 GB.
Okay.
That's the option available. Yeah. So you can have to shut down the VM, edit the settings, and then you can go ahead and change to 6 GB, just the way we had done earlier. Priya, I hope you are able to do the same. Yes or no? Please let me know. Great. So it's almost setting up. And once this is done, you will see the menu will be there.
Vishal, sorry, it's still not working.
Okay, you can share. Rishi, just stop sharing for a while. You can share.
Okay. Can you see the screen?
Yes, yes.
So
Could not create anonymous page. Okay. So maybe you're facing issues here. What you can do is just click on window icon at the bottom. Type DXDIAG. DXDIAG. Run. Yes. So see, you have 8 GB only. Okay.
yeah.
So that's the reason you are facing issues, because if you allot 6, it will be difficult.
Okay.
So that's the reason. What you can do is, like, you can just stop it and you can download Windows 10 also. Just a minute.
Okay.
So that's what you can use. So team, I'm also sharing you the link for Windows 10 install ISO. You can download that and can try this also. Yeah. Nafsi, you can do one thing once you are able to download this, download and get started. Okay, no problem.
Shall I stop sharing?
Yeah, you can stop sharing and you can download this first.
Okay.
Try this one. So you have done. So I hope now you understand. So you have total 8 GB, and if you give 6 GB, it's still lagging. It's not able to work. Okay, so we'll
Okay.
be using a lower version.
Hey,
So Rich, yeah,
sorry, Vishal. Once you're done, can I quickly share my screen for a
yeah,
second?
sure. Please do that.
Are you able to see?
Yes, I can.
I don't know why it's having issues running, so I'm just gonna create a new one again.
Uh, you can just go back once. Just go back once. Back. See, there is an option. Okay, you will install later. You given the ISO initially?
Yeah, I have it downloaded.
So give the path, then only it will start.
Uh,
Yes. Browse.
but then it says could not detect.
That's okay. That's fine. We can go next. Click inside and press the button. Click inside once and you have to press. Okay. You have to come back again, restart this and do that. So select
Oh,
Windows 11, right click, restart. Power. Go to power. Restart guest. Yes. And once you restart a guest, again the same thing will come in. So double click inside this panel. Yes. Once it is restarted. I think you have not clicked on restart. Yes. Okay. Uh,
it was working, and then I started seeing this for some reason.
no, it will work. Don't worry.
Same thing again.
So that is like you are still very slow because as soon as it starts, it will ask you to press any key, right? So you have to go ahead and press the key.
Okay.
This is not able to find the boot device. That's the reason. Okay. So again, go back, restart guest. On the right side, double click and wait. Okay, do one thing. Yes. Yes, it started now. Okay.
Okay.
So you have to
Perfect.
double
Sorry.
click and you
Yeah.
have
Sorry
to,
about that.
yeah. Go ahead.
That's working out. So sorry about that. I just didn't want to take too long.
Okay, yeah, no problem. See, that's the thing. Okay, you have to be quick enough so that this
Yeah.
gets started.
Okay. Perfect. Thank you.
Yes, okay, great. Team, I hope everyone was able to complete the task. Priya, you were also able to do that. Nabzi, you can try now. It should work. Okay. So guys, don't worry. In case if you're still facing the issues, that's okay. We can use. Yeah. Priya, your voice is too low.
Am I audible now?
Better, but still very low.
Can I share my thing to you?
Yeah, please, please.
They have logged in two way, like through system as well as through my mobile. I couldn't hear your voice properly.
Okay, fine.
Okay. And I don't know where it has downloaded that Windows 11. I couldn't
Okay,
see that.
okay, no problem. You can start VMware once. Let me help you with this.
Can you?
Yes, so select the first one. Use VMware Workstation for personal use. Yes, continue.
Continue. Okay. Then
Finish.
finish.
Yes. So usually whatever you download, it will be in download section. Okay.
Okay. And now?
Yes. So now on the front, see there's a create new virtual machine. Click on that.
Wait, this one. Okay.
Yes.
It's create a new virtual machine, right?
Yes. But before
Yes.
that, just check what is your RAM. Okay, just a minute.
Ah.
So on the left bottom side, see there's the Windows icon. Click on that.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. Can you check on the left side? See there's a Windows icon on the left
This
side
one?
bottom. Yes.
Okay.
Click on that. Yes. Type DXDIAG. DXDIAG. D
DXDIAG.
for Delhi. D for Delhi.
Yes. This
DIAG.
one, right?
Yes. No. DXDIAG. Yes.
Mm.
Instead of B, it is D. I'll type in the chat.
Yeah, I got it. DXDIAG.
DIAG.
Okay.
Yeah. Double click on that. Yeah.
I think, could you see this one?
See on the right side bottom, there is a blue icon. See? Just beside
Where?
VMware. Middle section. No. In the middle section. See?
In VMware. This
At
one?
the bottom. At the bottom, bottom bar. See, there's at the bottom, you have.
Mm.
Do one thing. Press Alt Tab. Alt Tab. On your system,
Okay.
press Alt Tab.
Done.
No. Yes. Click on yes now.
Okay.
Just wait.
Done.
Because your system is slow, I think, but it won't support Windows 11.
Okay. So
So I would suggest you can
yes,
download Windows 10 only. Better. I have given the link. Okay. Download that.
I have given. Oh,
Mm.
okay. But
Because
what
seems
about
like
this VM? This one, right?
yeah, I'll show you once you download it because anyways, currently it won't work because your system is very slow. Okay, so based on that, we will configure. Yes.
So can I give download anyway?
Yes. Click, click on download and at the bottom, see there's a blinking blue one.
One.
Click on it. Yes. Okay, so see, your is only 4 GB, right?
Okay.
That's the reason you are not able to. On the right side, if you see, there are like lot many ISOs which you are still downloading. See, your is a 4 GB RAM, so I would suggest don't do anything. Just complete the task on your system only. Okay, don't install anything. It's a too less RAM to install a VMware. Okay, otherwise
Can I give exit now?
it will be very very slow.
Okay, can I give exit?
Yeah, yeah, please, you can go ahead and. So see, you have
So
downloaded
what about
3.
the,
Is
can I not
close.
any one?
Yes. Hold on,
Okay,
but keep this. Okay,
okay,
great. Okay, you can just keep it here
okay,
because your RAM is 4 GB. So even if you download this,
okay,
this will be super slow. Okay,
okay, okay, okay.
thank you. You can follow what
Thank you,
I'm
thank
sharing. Yeah, okay. Okay.
you. Okay, okay. Thank
So Harpreet, you can share your screen now. And friend, we are just getting started. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to learn a few basic steps. Okay, so a quick thing. What is an operating system? Anyone who can tell me what is an operating system and what is their understanding about it? Let's see. Anyone who would like to share what is an operating system and why you require an operating system? Anyone who would like to start on this? What is an operating system and why you require an operating system? Rishi, you want to answer that? What is an operating system?
I'm thinking, I'm trying to put my thoughts into words. So,
Okay, so by any chance you know which operating system you are working on currently?
yeah, Windows.
Very good. Okay, so after using Windows, what are you able to do? You are able to operate your computer?
Yeah, yeah. It's kind of maybe uh, a base basically where we everything basically we work on. Like we have Mac, we have Linux, we have Windows. I know that's base, but then I don't know how do I define operating system?
So can we say that it is an interface between human and the hardware?
Yeah.
All right. So basically what happens is it is the software which will manage all our hardware and software resources in a computer, right? So if you see, it is between user and the computer hardware, right? Interface between user and your computer hardware. Okay. So that's what we are going to learn and that's what we are going to get started with. Okay. So team, few pointers, as I said, like before we dive into it. So what I'm going to do is, well, let's try to understand that whenever we connect to internet, we leave our footprints. Okay. So what are the few steps by which we will safeguard ourselves and won't be detected? Okay. So we are going to learn something which is how to be anonymous. Okay, so that's what we are going to learn, and you can follow few things and then we will discuss more on it. Okay, so open up a browser first and you can type tmac. You can type tmac. Thanks Nabji for the answer. Yes,
Is
so
this the
if you
one?
see the, yes, the first one. So team, you have to download this free utility which is Technetium MAC address. Okay, so let's get started.
Quick question, Vishal. Like every time now we will be working on the virtual desk, like not on our system, even for downloads and stuff.
Yes, because see, what we are going to do is we are going to work upon our virtual machine, because in case if we are downloading something and anything goes wrong,
Mm-hmm.
we can always get the virtual machine again, right? But if your host machine is down, what will happen? The whole system goes down.
Right. Okay.
So that's the thing, we will be protecting ourselves. So friend, once you do that, you have to download this and it will start installation. Okay, so we'll just wait for a while and then I'll also explain you that what is MAC address. Yes, the setup is there. You have to click on the blinking icon. Yeah. Yes. Next. I agree. Next. So team, in case if you need guidance, please let me know. Installation is very, very easy. And if you are having any issues, let me know. I'll help you out. So friend, when we connect to internet, there are some information which will be going out of our system. Okay, so one of the information is that what is our MAC ID? Okay, so just to share in, MAC ID is a unique 12 character code which has been given to your NIC, network interface card, okay, or a controller. So what will happen is that every machine will have a unique ID. So in your case, if you see, you can connect to internet in two ways. One is by using a Wi-Fi or by using a cable, right? And both will have a unique ID. Okay. So what you can do is, before starting this, click on yes. Yeah. Okay. Just hold on. Don't start the program. That's okay. Go to your Windows icon and type CMD. Yes. And here you can type if ipconfig, sorry, ipconfig, enter. Okay. So friend, this is the first command which you should learn, which will tell you that what is the IP address of your computer. Okay. So can someone read what is your IP address? It is your IPv4 address. Please check. Okay. Yes, 129. Now come back again and type ipconfig space. Priya, just and hold on. I'll allow you. Okay, don't worry. ipconfig. I'm typing the command in the chat as well. ipconfig space slash all. So team, if you see here now, initially the information was very, very less, but now if you see, we have a detailed environment. So if you see here, the physical address, see, physical address is your MAC ID. Okay, so 88B0 last, so it is 12 characters. Okay, so come back to your TMAC application again, and you can click on yes. Okay, so see, you are able to get the same here, right? So Rishi, in your case, you have not connected to Wi-Fi, but you have connected with a cable, right?
With Wi-Fi.
Okay, fantastic. So remember one thing, why it is showing you Ethernet is because your main machine is connected to Wi-Fi, but VMware is connected to internal network. That's the reason you are seeing Ethernet 0. Okay. See, the last one, Ethernet 0, which is up and operational. Click on that. The third one. Yes. Okay. So if you see the MAC address, can you check the physical address and MAC address both are same? On the top one, yes. Team, you can also check in this. Don't worry. Let me complete and I'll come back to you and I will solve all your queries. Okay. So this is stage one. Right? Is it same, right?
It's same.
Fantastic. Okay. So we got it right. So come back to your TMAC again. And this time, what we are going to do. So yes, if you come back, see there's an option change MAC address. Yeah, yes. And there is a random MAC address. Click on that. So team, automatically you will see that this is changed. Okay. And you can click on change now. So temporary your internet will go and we will see that. Click on OK. Okay, just hold on. On the right side, if you see there is an original MAC address and then there is active MAC address. Right? So team, you can see here that just by double clicking on that and changing the MAC address, we were able to change our MAC address. Okay. But let's confirm from the system that is it the same or it has been changed. So again, the same command we will be running ipconfig space /all.
It's updated now.
Which means the system also confirms that it has changed, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that means that if now somebody tries to track your computer, what will happen? They will not get your original MAC ID, which is unique in nature. Okay, just to share in, changing your MAC ID is illegal, but since we are learning it for a learning purpose, that's okay. Okay, that's the one of the things which a hacker or the criminals will do. Okay, so this is stage one. Great. So any questions here? And Rishi, if you can just stop sharing your screen, and Priya, you can share your screen now.
Quick question also. So you
Yes.
said that so it's of course illegal to change IP addresses. So,
Uh,
but then is it only the hackers who use it to change the IP address, or even the SOC analyst or cybersecurity guys also do change their MAC address to track anything? Like I know it may be in future we would know more about it, but just curious about it.
See, that's up to users, right? Anyone can change the address. But as a SOC analyst, why would you do that? You don't require that, right?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So you would not require that, but you should know that yes, there is a possibility that the MAC address will be changed, okay, or can be changed. So just like in our phone also, we can change the IMEI, right? Are you aware of that? But again, that is illegal. Great. Priya, you can share your screen now. Let's see what issue you are facing. So team, I hope everyone was able to complete this task. Yes or no, let me know. Yeah, perfect. So you have already changed. Yes. So what you have to do is click on window icon on the bottom, window icon. No, not there. Windows icon. Yeah. See, Priya, at the bottom there is a Windows icon, or you can press Command and R on your keyboard together. Command and R. Don't do anything there. Just press Command and R on your keyboard. Perfect. So you have to type CMD. Enter. IP config. Enter. Okay, so we also get to know the IP addresses of your Wi-Fi and the LAN. Okay, what you can do is IP config space slash all. Perfect. All. Enter. Okay, so you see that additional detail is there, and if you see, there is physical address as well. That means that yes, you can go ahead and check. Okay. So Priya, I hope that is okay, or you want any help or anything else?
No, what I have to do other?
That's it. Just check whether your MAC ID is changed or not. So the one which you saw, see in the physical address, you will find, see, it's a wired
Yeah.
Ethernet connection. Yes. So if you see here now, you
Okay.
will find
Yeah.
V8, the same one.
See here, this one, right?
The second one, active MAC address.
Okay.
Yeah, because that's the
It's
one
changed.
which is changed. Yes.
It has changed. Active market.
Yes.
Okay. I have to leave here.
Yeah, so again, you can check in the command prompt that whether the same physical address is being shown or not. Go to Ethernet and check. Scroll down. Okay, scroll up and check.
So here I have to check here.
Yeah, just scroll up,
Shall
scroll up,
I?
scroll up. See, you are connected on Wi-Fi, right?
Yes, yes. Wi-Fi.
So just have a look at all your physical address where it is Ethernet or wireless.
Okay.
Yeah, so just scroll down.
Okay.
So in the physical address, you will find the same one which is your change one in the wire. Just hold on, yes. Ethernet, VM. See, is there any
Yes.
Wi-Fi wireless? Okay. So that means that you once you check that,
Okay.
both will be shown if the MAC ID has been updated or not. Okay. Just have a
Okay.
look around. So in your case, it will be wireless only because you are connected to Wi-Fi.
Yes.
And this shows that there are multiple adapters. Yes.
Yes. Multiple adapters.
So you can keep on checking the physical address, whether it matches with the active. Just hold on, check this one. Yeah. Physical address. Just scroll up and check. Yeah. Okay.
Yes. Here.
Yes. And you can stop the sharing.
Okay.
See, you're just getting started, right? So no need to worry. Just follow basic
Okay.
steps. In case if you still face issues, I'll be helping you out at the end. So
Okay,
Harpreet, you can now share your screen again and let's start. So friends, I'm going to do one very interesting thing and you have to tell me why there is a difference, okay? So by this time, I hope everyone was able to see their IP address. So can everyone type in their IP address here quickly? Please type your IP address in the chat box. Your IP address, not the MAC ID. I'll give you 30 seconds. Harpreet, you can share your IP in the chat quickly. Perfect. Quickly do that. So team, I would request others also to put the IP address in the chat box. Fantastic. So Rishi was the first. Noor, Nabzi, Priya, please put it. Yes, fantastic. Very good. Fantastic. Very good. Okay. So guys, let's move on to the next part. Open up your browser, which is Edge. And in the address bar, type what's my IP. Enter. And first one, what is my IP address? So see, I get to know. Remember the day one where I had shared a QR code, and on your QR code, I was able to get the IP address. Okay, I was able to get this IP address. Okay, so friends, now if you see, this IPv4 is different than the one which you had shared. Okay, so Noor, I hope you might be aware of this. So let's see why both IPs are different. Can anyone tell me why these are different? Nabzi will cover that in our networking section. Okay. No, no, no. So don't worry, guys. We are just getting started. Okay. So we'll learn all these different things. And Noor, you want to answer this?
The internet ID is the one provided by your internet service provider, like the one you use
Uh-huh.
browse online, and the other one is for your
Right.
local network. That's assigned to your network card.
Okay. So what is the difference between them or keywords? It should be same, right? It's showing different.
I think so. The one assigned to your network card is the one you're gonna see on your local network, like for your computer, and the one assigned to you by your internet provider is the one you use to browse the internet.
Okay, great. So just to share, friends, when you do IP config and get the information, the IP which you see is termed as private IP address. Okay, private IP address. And as Noor mentioned, this is the address assigned to your device by your router. Okay. So primarily what will happen in a LAN environment, in a network, you will be getting private IP address. Okay. And once you go to internet, right, this again is being given by ISP. So what will happen that this ISP will provide you a unique identifier for you as well. Remember, IPs are the unique identifier. So you will get public IP address. Okay, so that's the difference. That's the reason you get private IP and public IP. Okay, so we just as of now just have a concept. Once we come into networking basics, we'll get through all these. So now you can understand that in case if somebody wants to identify you in the network, you have your private IP address. And in case if somebody wants to identify you on internet, this is what IP address you will be showing them. Okay. So let's quickly start the next part by downloading a browser called Tor browser, Tor. So friends, as the name suggests, Tor, it means the onion router. The onion router. And we understand that onion has multi-layer, right? Same way, this will have multiple layer which will protect you. Remember, I had asked you to start watching a series called Mr. Robot. In the first episode, you will find about Tor browser. So you can download for Windows. Yes, very good. So Harpreet is super fast, huh? Harpreet? Very good. So team, I'm just sharing you the link also in the chat. These browsers helps us in being anonymous. So I'm just sharing you this. I have also put the detail in the chat box where you can go ahead. So in this case, Rishi is executing the file. So just double click and start executing. So guys, this is the, I'm sure you might have heard of, this is one of the tool which is used popularly because this helps us in getting anonymous. Which means that if we start using this, difficulty in tracing us. So even our ISP will not know that, okay, you have to click on okay.
I actually already installed it. I think it was just multiple times I clicked it. So uh, this is
Perfect. So guys, again, one thing, if you see, the browser will start like this. So see, there's an option, always connect automatically. Enable that. Always connect automatically. Okay. Yes. And you can click on connect. So team, what we have currently seen that the same thing what we had done, we are trying to do on our Tor browser as well. Okay. So if you see here, it is trying to connect somewhere, right? Which means it is trying to connect to a Tor network. Okay. So remember, as I said, the onion router, which means it has multiple layers and it will also bounce our IP address in multiple ways. So if now after this you check what's my IP in Tor browser, it will be different. Okay. Again, remember one thing, in we don't use Google, in this we have DuckDuckGo. Okay. So look for what's my IP. What's my IP? The same website, yeah? So what does it shows? See, you are in Germany. Hey Rishi, you are in Germany?
Planning.
Planning. Okay, very good. Agree, agree. And you can come back to your Edge browser and look for what's my IP. So guys, you can see here both are different now. That means that Onion router has changed your IP address, which was Canadian, to different country. So if I give you the Grabify link, remember I gave you a link. If anybody clicks the link, what will happen? So just a minute, I'll show you that. So team, I am sharing you this here. Okay. So what you have to do is open this IP address in your browser and also in your Tor browser. Okay. So go ahead. Yes, you can see that phishing attacks are done using this one. You can keep a close, right? Okay, good. Okay, and you can come back to your Edge browser and see what is the IP address you are getting. Okay, just hold on, hold on. Rishi, you can stop sharing your screen. So friend, if you now check here, okay, I'm going to show you on my screen that what exactly is happening. I hope you are able to see this and let me refresh. So guys, you can see that I only got 3, which means not everyone has clicked on that. Noor, others, I would request you to please do that. So Rishi, can you find both your IP address here now? And see, this shows this alert.
The
See,
second one, did it? Okay, I'm not sure.
see,
Is it mine? Okay, maybe.
your is German. So your is German. So guys, if you see here, see, this is a normal IP address which it identified. Okay, so it doesn't have anything. But see, there's an alert here. And if you see here, see, VPN proxy detection. Okay. So you get to know that even if you are using this, the system knows that you are hiding your IP address. This denotes Tor detection. See? That I will able to understand by seeing that, and we'll get to know that hey, this is someone who is not sharing his or her real IP address. Okay, guys, how is this interesting? Now you are able to relate that how a hacker gets your information and how you can protect your identity as well. Yes or no? Fantastic. You can share your screen again, Rishi. And what we are going to do today is just one more task, and I'll give you as a homework. So when we come back in the next session, we will directly jump into Windows Fundamental and we'll get started. But I hope this part was interesting because this is just getting started. Okay. We will be using few more tools to help you understand. Rishi, you can share your screen again and I would give you a task here. Great. Just a minute. Come open up your Tor browser. Okay, so team, how many of you have heard of dark web? Dark web. How many of you have heard of dark web? I did, okay, very good. Anybody else? Have you heard of dark web? Okay, great. So team, dark web is a part which is hidden portion of the internet which can be accessed by a specific browser, and Tor browser is something which is helping us to identify and serve the dark web. Okay, remember one thing that the dark web is where we find a variety of criminal activities. Okay, but again you can use it for legitimate use as well. Okay, remember one thing, dark web will have multiple subsections and you can find all unwanted things. So if you just type hidden wiki, yes, yes, hidden wiki, HIDDEN space wiki, type hidden wiki. WIKI, 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 hidden Wikipedia, that's the short CI. Enter. You can press enter. Yeah. So team, you can see that in Tor, internet will be a bit slow, but that's how it is because it is changing so many things in the background for you. Okay. So that's one of the reason it's slow. And I want you to go through this. You will find a list of websites. You can go to any of the website. Okay, any website you want to go. Any website. Just go any website, visit.
Do we have to use this like every day, like DuckDuckGo? Because this is extremely slow.
Because see, why it is slow? Reason, this is beyond internet and it is using multi-layer, right? So it
Yeah.
is changing your life. That's the reason. So we'll not be using every day,
Okay.
but just to sure hacker use that because they want to stay anonymous.
Mhm.
Just go to one website, yeah. It will be slow, but just visit that. Yes, if you go back and check, yes. If you scroll down, you will get more data here. Okay. See all these links. See card shop, US citizen, counterfeit USD, dark mining, all will be available. See. So I would request everyone that for today, go through the website, try to learn. Again, please don't do anything before knowing anything. Just have a look at it and try to get information. Okay. See, guns, everything. You will get everything here. So once you are here, you will be able to get all information. Okay. So for today, what you can do is that just go around it, look towards it, and once we come back on Monday. So remember, guys, we have our next session on Monday, and we will be getting started with our Windows fundamental. We have just covered the basic part where we were trying to hide ourselves. So we have just finished off few portion, and we will start with the same and then dive into Windows fundamental. Meanwhile, any questions on today's session, please let me know. Anyone has any query or anything? Nabzi, your Windows 10 is not installing. Okay. Nabzi, what is the issue you are getting?
So,
Nabzi, you can share
so it
your screen.
was, yeah, I downloaded it and tried installing, but it says 100% and suddenly it goes to restart. It says something error occurred. We are restarting.
Okay, leave it. So don't do anything. Let's see. You can just use the browser. Don't worry.
Okay.
So team, any question for today's session, please let me know. I'll be helping you out. I hope whatever we have covered today, you are able to follow the instructions and everything. Awesome. So friends, let's connect on Monday. Please note that the next session is on Monday, and we will. Yeah, Nabzi, go ahead. We have not started yet. So Nabzi, we'll cover that in networking fundamentals. Okay, I'll explain you that. We'll be covering IP difference between IPv4, V6, and networking. So this is, see, we are just getting started. Okay, that's why I'm not rushing in. This is the first week, so I want you to just process the information. Get started with the jargon. We will dive deep into it. Okay. Don't worry, because these are foundations. Once we have the foundation strong, we will be doing great. Okay, so that's we'll cover Windows 10 first, or Windows first OS, and then jump into networking, and then we'll jump into Linux. Okay, so that's how we have planned, and this will also clear most of your doubts. Okay, great.
I came in late. I
Noor,
want
any
to know
question?
what I should cover.
Yeah, Chuck, please go ahead.
I came in late, so I want to know what was covered so I can read
Okay,
it up or look at the
right.
recordings.
So what we did was we learned that how to be anonymous. In that, we had used two tools. One is CMAC, which will change your MAC address, and we also learned about Tor browser. So this is two what we have covered today.
Okay, will I see it in the recording?
Yes, yes. In case if you face any issues, let me know. I'll also show it up in the next session. It will not take much time.
Okay, good. Sounds good.
Yeah, great. So just have a look at it and see you guys. Any more questions? Otherwise, we can come back and start on Monday again. Okay, we'll take some time and we'll try to get this started for us as well. Okay. Chalo,
When will
see.
the
Yeah,
when
go
will
ahead.
the recording be released?
It will be done soon. Sam will be sharing it to you.
Okay.
I'll inform Sam that if she can share early. Okay, so just have a look at it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, great. Chalo guys, see you on Monday. Have a great weekend. Bye bye. Good night.
Bye-bye.
Take care of
Thank
yourself.
you. Thank you. And please go through Hidden Wiki. Try to see something. You will get lot more information. Okay, so just I've given you the task for a weekend. Have a look at it, and I'm sure you will find more interesting stuff there. Okay. Chalo, bye bye.
Bye-bye.